Okay guys, so the Chevy seat is pretty old, and to take off the entire thing is gonna be a nightmare. So and already been ripped and already hole in it. I might just go ahead and dig the hole a little bigger, and then I'm installing the handle, which is the handle is here, and then just with the patches I'm gonna patch it back up and make it look decent, and then I'm gonna put the cover back up. So this handle should be goes just like this there, and then we're gonna go from there, see how I can actually mount it. So yeah. Okay, after measuring the holes, so I dig one hole here, one hole down here, based on the holes here. So I'm gonna just screw them on and go from there. So the first screw is in, and I have to put the second screw in here too. So as you guys see, I just located them in, and I know it's not very pretty looking, but it's gonna be very convenient while I'm on the road. So let's see when I tie it out, and we're gonna see the results. Okay, so after a minute I put both screws in and tied out, and here we go, we have a handle. So I'm gonna trim around here and patch here to make it look better. And for you this is also adjuster, so you can adjust the height if you want to go down or higher. You can just adjust it through here. So for example, if I wanted to adjust it goes lower, I just turn it and you see go lower. And if I wanted to get it higher, just raise it up and turn it clockwise, and you see it goes higher. So that's a way to do it. And I'm happy right now we have a armrest for our longer trips. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please subscribe and let us know how the project you want and what type of projects, and also we're gonna share more projects with you guys. So see you in the next one. And on the driver's side, so it's the handle, how it looks like, it goes all the way back, and just get it back out and enjoy the drive.